All right, quick disclaimer about the Supra behind me. This is a track use only vehicle. You will not see it out on the road. This is a track use vehicle only. Factory charge pipe on the Supra is actually supposed to be a really weak point. I believe it's plastic. So we're gonna be upgrading to the AFE, and what I'm told, it's a 40% airflow increase, correct?
Yep.
Okay, so 40, get the out of here. You go sit over there. This fucking guy, I'm trying to talk, dude. I'm trying to talk. I wish, get back to work, do what you're doing. I'm over here trying to talk, and he's over here dancing behind the camera. It makes it really, it's funny, but it's annoying. If you guys know, power and air go hand in hand. So more airflow, more power. AFE, always good product, always endorse what they do, always endorse their products that they have because we've always had good success with them. I had it on my XD and I will have it on my new XD as well. Let's unbox the product, let's find out what we have here, and let's figure out how to do this. Catch him up to speed.
Airbox had to be removed first. Anthony did that. Don't ask me how.
Probably pretty easy.
We should probably check the filter while we're at it, but AFE is gonna have an intake out soon. Then we had to get the pipe off the turbo. So we gotta get this sucker up and off. It's kind of hard, especially after you do a couple of revs on the car and it's hot. Pull that out, and there's a hose right here. Gotta unclip it and just pop right out.
So you've heard us on this channel plenty of times talk about instructions and how we usually do this. Not with this. AFE is super detailed with everything that they do, so they include the instructions that we needed actually. You know, taking this charge pipe out, you would think would be easy, but they've already figured out all the kinks. And when I say kinks, I'm talking about how to get this thing out of there. You had to berth it, and it wasn't easy. The way you would think needed to come out was not the case. You'd think you'd be able to remove it from up top, right? You had to actually send it down to the bottom. Instructions had all of that detailed in there, and it really helped out. So in this case, AFE, shout out to you guys. The instructions were awesome.
This part, let's look at the diagram, just to show you. It goes down into the turbo outlet. So what I did was follow the picture and set it up. My angle's a little off, but I can fix that once it gets on the car. So you always leave all your clamps loose because you always have to do final tightening once you got everything on. But I think the next step is to get this contraption onto the throttle body.
Yo, where am I going?
The best part, you're going to AFE. When you lose a part, you just gotta knock on the door. It's only a block away. Not even a block away, show them how far it is.
Can you pick up a part?
I did.
You wanna ride it?
A little bit, but yeah, fuck it, why not?
Yeah.
Okay.
AFE, you guys are awesome.
My pleasure, man.
Juan,
It's
you
always
got to
fun.
know Juan. He's a longtime friend.
Hey.
All right,
Hey.
we're gonna go try to get Daniel's car working.
Awesome.
Juan rode the skateboard.
Did he? Yeah. Hey, shout out AFE one more time. You think about how cool that is, you know, we're here and we're trying to get this install done and we lost a part, or yeah, we lost a part, and we were able to give him
Anthony.
We were able to give him a quick call. If you guys see here, Anthony was here earlier and decided he was just gonna bail out of nowhere. So don't be like that guy. Don't start a project and bail out. And yeah, I'm throwing shade at you, Anthony, right here on camera. I love you, dog, but don't ever do that. Crazy part about the Supra is when it's warming up, it's loud, but when it's fully warmed up, you know it because it sounds like a Prius. Check it out. Oh, there it goes. Silent, right?
That's crazy.
Like race car, non-race car.
You're going to.
I never drive it with the traction control off. I quit. Charge pipes on. Shout out once again to AFE and my crew for taking care of the install. Without them, this wouldn't have been possible. Both of them, AFE and my crew. Driving the car already, you can feel a difference. It definitely feels a little bit more throaty for some reason. It feels like even the exhaust pops sound deeper. I don't know if that's just me tripping. I do feel more power. I don't know if that's just me tripping, but like I said, AFE does say 40% more airflow going through the system, so that should in turn equal more power. The next thing we have up is the exhaust. It's a full system rather than the axle back that I have on there right now. So I'm really curious to see how this goes. We will be installing this next week. If you guys want to see the video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, because if you didn't know, on YouTube, the way to get those notifications coming to your phone and rolling in constantly and letting you know what content YouTube thinks you want to watch, you gotta like the video. So if you enjoyed the Supra content, make sure you drop a like, give us a comment. If you're enjoying the Supra series, let us know. This is probably our 10th video on the car since we bought it, and it's just gonna get crazier because you guys already know we're going wide body probably this week. But we'll see you guys in the next video.